Try to make me sad. You want me to go to work tomorrow with a frown on my face?
No.
No?
Looks a little happy.
You probably do. Oh my god, it's my stepmom. Look at her, bruh. Oh no. She's gonna be so mad, dude. She's like, where you been? Anthony Sano. They're gonna be so mad, bro. Let's see what they're gonna say. You don't have anything in this freaking camera case? I bought the camcorder. Oh my goodness. Espérese. Get me up. Ah, oh.
Fuck you, baby.
Whoa! Mr. Simba. What's up, Simba? Huh? Simba, what's going on? Huh? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? What's up, baby? How you doing today, baby? Doing good? Give me paw. Give me paw. Simba. Give me paw. Simba, give me paw. Give me paw. Ah, that boy. You're so cute. Oh my god. Look at me, so cute. It's Mr. Simba, man. He's so cute, man. This little apple. I said apple head. No, he's got a big head, dude. Tree trunk head looking ass. So happy, dude. For a dog. Bless you. It's like a haunted house or something. Shit. The exotic dancing. It's true. They do. Whoa! Does it move? Awesome sauce. Yo, they got all the anime costumes right here. Taxing though, $50. It's too much. You're just gonna get mantels, plates. You said no forks, right? Damn, that's just so expensive though. Man, it looks so beautiful today though outside. The sky. Nah, you can't smell it. Honestly, I think you're just overthinking. You can't smell your armpits, dude. This is what I like about being outside sometimes. It's so relaxing. That's why I'm always asking you to hang out, because look at the sky and everything. Like, yeah, people might think it's like gay to look at the sky, but nah, I like looking at the sky. Bruh, I just messed up this plate of chicken and rice, and I ain't gonna lie, the chicken was pretty gnarly. Shh, calm down, ma. I ain't gonna lie, it tasted like shit. Huh? Tasted not the best, man. I ain't gonna lie. My mom today kind of let me down. If I had to give it a rating out of 10, I would have to say around like a 4. It wasn't the best. The only thing that was good was probably the chicken, but once you got inside, wasn't as good. Hold up. She's mad, bruh. She's so mad, bruh. I don't even know why, bruh.
Looks a little happy.
Be happy, pokey wokey? Bam, and just like that, 8:44 p.m. Thursday, October 19th, we are now back home. Wow, amazing, beautiful, breathtaking. Oh, so nice, dog.